Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today I'll be making Za'atar potato wedges with salad. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the Za'atar potato wedge salad. For the first part, you will need 4 yellow potatoes, some Za'atar blend, extra virgin olive oil, and some sea salt. For the salad, you will need some arugula or rocket salad, parsley, tomatoes, red onion, cucumber, and for the dressing you will need some lemon juice, salt, and extra virgin olive oil. And this is how your Za'atar potato wedge salad should look like. Squeeze some lemon on top, serve it as a vegetarian or vegan meal, and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at AssyrianDishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!